Hi everyone, I'm Elena with Colavita. You might remember me from the Colavita Cooking Live show. I'm here to tell you about a brand new challenge that we're launching at Colavita. It's called the My Colavita Meal Challenge. The goal of the My Colavita Meal Challenge is to inspire you to think creatively yet simplistically in the kitchen. We believe a good cook is not just someone who can follow a recipe, but someone who can take what they have in the pantry, in the fridge, and throw it together on a whim and create something delicious. For the challenge, we're asking that you create a meal from scratch from just 6 ingredients. 3 of those ingredients must be Colavita olive oil, Colavita pasta, any cut you like, and diced, crushed, or strained tomatoes. Bonus points if you use the Colavita brand. That means you'll have 3 other ingredients of your choosing to add in as you will. Salt and pepper don't count, you can have those for free. Entries will be judged on flavor, creativity, presentation, and level of difficulty. Remember, simplicity is key. Submit your recipe and best photo of your meal on the My Colavita Meal landing page. Also include 2 to 3 sentences on the inspiration behind your dish. Be sure to share your photo on social media using the hashtag MyColavitaMeal and tagging Colavita USA. We'll select 4 finalists, which will then be voted on via online and social media polls. Once a winner is chosen, we'll recreate that recipe on Colavita Cooking Live, on our Instagram and Facebook channels. We'll then share that video on YouTube, and the recipe will live on colavitarecipes.com forever. Best of all, you'll receive a giant gift basket full of Colavita goodies to stock your pantry so you can create more simple, delicious meals for yourself, your family, and your friends. So gather your ingredients and let's get cooking.